where you could easily charge $1,000 or more per post. Hey friends, I'm excited to share some tips on how you can earn over $100 daily with Instagram Reels. It's a fun way to increase your income and it's easy to start. Don't forget, if you're not a big Instagram star yet, anyone can do this. So stick with me till the end because I'm sure you'll love my favorite tip. But before that, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Good Money, so you don't miss out on our new updated videos. So without further ado, let's get started. Number 1. Ultimate Personal Brand Funnel. Let me introduce you to the latest trend on Instagram, the Reels feature. It's Instagram's answer to TikTok, designed to cater to the growing demand for short-form videos. With this feature, you get to showcase your creativity, passion, and talent to a wide audience of millions of Instagram users. Imagine being able to share your dancing, singing, or comedy skills in a 30-second video that can reach an endless number of people. Instagram Reels provides this perfect opportunity for you to unleash your potential and take your content creation to new heights. When you explore Instagram Reels, you'll discover a wealth of content covering diverse niches, from educational tips to funny pranks and everything in between. By simply swiping through the Explore page, you can find endless inspiration for creating your unique content. So why not hop on the Instagram Reels bandwagon and see your content go viral in this highly popular platform? With Instagram's massive reach and its easy-to-use Reels feature, it's never been easier to showcase your talents and make a name for yourself in the world of online content creation. Number 2. Sponsored Posts. To truly excel at Instagram Reels, you must start by honing in on a specific niche. This crucial step lays the foundation for success, as tactics are much more effective when tailored to a focused area of expertise. Fortunately, there are countless ways to leverage Instagram Reels to grow your reach and generate revenue. One of the most powerful methods is to incorporate Reels into your ultimate personal brand funnel. By doing so, you can increase your audience and cultivate a robust presence on the platform. Don't miss out on the immense potential on Instagram Reels. Start building your niche today and see where it can take you. The formula is simple. Create your content on TikTok and share it on Instagram Reels. But don't stop there. Make sure to include a call to action at the end of your video, directing viewers straight to your website or YouTube channel. With this strategy, you'll be amazed at the incredible power this approach can have on your success. Take action now and harness the full potential of your social media presence. Number 3. Utilize your multiple platforms to get higher rates. As I mentioned earlier, being able to repurpose your content is crucial. This strategy not only helps you establish a personal brand and authority, but also builds an authentic fan base. Gaining organic and genuine followers on Instagram can be tough, which is why this tactic is a game changer. So if you want to take Instagram to the next level and attract a loyal audience, don't waste any more time. Start repurposing your content today. If you're looking to grow your Instagram following, there's no better time than right now to invest in implementing Instagram Reels. With an ever-increasing number of people tuning in to watch these short, engaging videos, the opportunity to expose your brand to an entirely new audience is simply too great to ignore. Plus, with so many viewers and yet so few creators actively posting Reels, the potential for your content to stand out in the crowd is immense. By taking advantage of this trend and dedicating more time to crafting high-quality Reels, you'll reap the rewards in the form of increased follower counts, heightened engagement, and the potential to monetize your brand in the not-too-distant future. So don't delay, start producing Instagram Reels today. Instagram Reels present a fantastic opportunity to make money, and one of the best ways to do so is by collaborating with brands for sponsored posts. It works just like TikTok, where you can create content that advertises the brand's products or services. From dedicating the entire video to discussing the brand to giving them a little shout out at the end, the possibilities are endless. With influencer marketing on the rise, it's not surprising that companies are turning towards content creators to help them reach new clients without breaking the bank. Take advantage of this trend and start making some serious cash with your Instagram Reels today. Imagine this. You have been consistently creating amazing videos in Instagram Reels, and suddenly you hit a milestone over 100,000 views. And guess what? You can turn this into a business opportunity where you could easily charge $1,000 or more per post. Don't let the thought of it being difficult discourage you. It's easier than you think. However, keep in mind that companies will try to underpay you, so always pitch a price that's twice as high as what you would accept. This tactic has proven to work wonders for many creators. Remember, you don't want to flood your Instagram with sponsored posts as it can lead to decreased audience loyalty. With a little patience and strategic planning, you can turn your passion into profit. By using Instagram Reels minimally but intelligently, you can maximize your earnings per post. The third way to make some serious money with IG Reels is to incorporate it into your multifaceted personal brand. If you're already on Instagram Reels, chances are you're also on Instagram itself, and maybe even TikTok and YouTube. Having a presence across all these platforms is a powerful combination that can elevate your brand and give you the leverage to demand higher rates from brand partnerships. Don't wait any longer to start using IG Reels to your advantage and building your brand to reach new heights of success. Imagine being able to double your earnings from branded content without adding any extra work. By utilizing multiple channels, you can unlock a world of opportunity for collaboration and increased compensation. Don't settle for a few $100s for one post on TikTok. Instead, leverage your platform and content to negotiate a higher rate for cross-posting on Instagram Reels. This strategy isn't cheating the system, it's simply acknowledging the nuances of different audiences on each platform. By expanding your reach, you'll build your authority and strengthen your entire Instagram account. So don't limit yourself to one channel. Get the most out of your content and watch your earnings soar. By adopting this strategy, you can boost the worth of each of your distinct platforms, regardless of their individuality. This will undoubtedly benefit you in the long run. Number 4. Sell your own products on Reels. Are you tired of promoting other people's products on Instagram Reels? It's time to switch it up and start selling your products and services. With Instagram Reels, you have a free marketing tool at your fingertips, so why not make the most of it? Don't be afraid to showcase what you have to offer and market yourself. Utilize natural ways to integrate your services into your content instead of overwhelming your audiences with constant pitches. By doing this, you'll not only increase sales but also establish yourself as a brand and build a successful business in the long run. Take advantage of this opportunity and start promoting your products on Instagram Reels today. Instagram Reels offer an incredible opportunity to showcase your creativity and make a name for yourself in the digital space. With just a few minutes of filming and posting, your content has the potential to reach millions of people around the world. Imagine the impact that kind of exposure could have on your profile, your following, and ultimately your bottom line. But it's not enough to simply rely on viral content and views. To truly leverage on your social media presence, you need to establish yourself as a bona fide entrepreneur. That means setting long-term goals for your brand and working towards creating your product or service. By building a business off of your social media platform, you're securing a sustainable career beyond the fleeting lifespan of any one platform. Imagine leveraging your social media fame to build a thriving business that will continue to thrive even without you having to maintain a social media presence. Don't let your platform success fade away. Use it as a stepping stone to kickstart your business and secure your financial future. By building a strong business from your social media platform, you'll be able to create a lasting legacy that will keep generating income for you, long after the likes and followers have moved on. Take action now and capitalize on this unique opportunity to turn your fame into a successful business. Number 5. Be a manager for other creators on IG Reels. Are you looking to up your social media strategy and generate more brand awareness? Look no further than reaching out to influencers and helping them build their Instagram Reels. By acting as a manager for these influencers, you can take 10 to 20% off of any brand deals you're able to secure for them. A win-win situation for everyone involved. But let's not forget the power of Instagram Reels. This untapped market is vastly underestimated in its ability to build a following and connect with audiences. It's time for every social media agency to start prioritizing IG Reels for their clients and tapping into this incredibly effective tool. It's essential to devote a significant amount of effort toward creating enticing Instagram Reels and maintaining a consistent schedule for your content creators. Failing to do so means you're depriving yourself of massive publicity and financial opportunities. Even if you do not aspire to be a social media influencer, you can still assist in managing an influencer's account. Alternatively, if you run a social media agency, you should consider launching a department that solely concentrates on developing Instagram Reels. This type of service will be incredibly popular over the next few years, and Instagram Reels provide the most cost-effective marketing technique available today. Don't lose out on this opportunity to create a considerable impact on your business or your clients. Number 6. Affiliate marketing. Are you making the most out of Instagram Reels? One of the smartest ways to monetize this feature is through affiliate marketing. Do you know what that means? You promote products or services that you genuinely love, and when people click on your links and buy them, you earn a commission. Imagine creating short, eye-catching videos and Instagram Reels showcasing your favorite products and services. You could make money and grow your audience at the same time. So why not try this incredible opportunity to turn your passion into profit? Starting with a captivating introduction is an absolute must for Instagram Reels. Remember, the first few seconds are crucial. It's what determines whether or not someone will continue watching your video. A clever trick is to lure your audience in with a juicy hook, such as how to get your free stocks from Webull instantly. By doing so, viewers will be enticed to keep watching and won't want to miss out on valuable information. The likelihood of your video making it to the Explore page significantly increases when viewers watch it in its entirety. Be sure to end your video with a strong call to action that directs them toward your profile page. This is the perfect opportunity to showcase a linked tree, which enables you to have several links with one profile link. Trust me, with a little creativity and the right approach, you'll have your audience eating out of the palm of your hand in no time. Are you seeking an excellent way to earn money passively while promoting diverse businesses? Then, affiliate marketing is your perfect solution. You can potentially earn multiple commissions from distinct brands, generating an enormous amount of income. Utilizing the same strategy, I urge you to consider doing affiliate marketing if you're looking for an additional way to monetize Instagram Reels or any social media platform. Don't miss out on the opportunity to achieve financial freedom and success. And that's the end of today's video. We sincerely hope you enjoyed it and learned something new. If you did, help us out by giving us a thumbs up and sharing this video. Subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell to make sure you never miss out on our next videos. See you at the next one.